So what is up, YouTube? So as the V-dub is slowly coming together on the 6-speed swap, should have that back in maybe a week or so. I was looking around for another like project car because I don't know, I have the V-dub. That's gonna mainly for be like the track car, or daily, like the weekend warrior kind of car type thing. But I wanted to find like another little project car for like a daily driver, and this is when I stumbled upon this bad boy right here. So it is a 2003 Audi A4 1.8. I got it for free, and the guy said that basically it was smoking. His girlfriend was driving on the highway and it started smoking. She pulled it over, they got it towed to the house. It was sitting for a while, so I threw a new battery in, tried to crank it over, it wouldn't. Thought maybe that the gas, it was out of gas. Put gas in it, still didn't start up. So I'll show you guys the interior. Not bad, just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Okay guys, so the time has come to start pulling this head to hopefully get it machined, or worst case just get a new head. So if I pull the head and the pistons underneath are damaged, then I would be better off just getting a new motor, but I'm hoping for the best. So I went to the junkyard today too, because I was trying to make this a budget build. I pulled off a head, did all the work to pull the head off just to see that it was shot, and I was kind of already expecting that it was going to be shot, because anytime you see a V-dub or Audi at the junkyard, most of the time they're stripped, and whatever's left is what's damaged on them. So I'm about to pull this. To do it, it's not that hard. Disconnect the intake, exhaust. Already got the coolant, kind of took apart the reservoir, and there's some fuel grills, some little things over here, and in no time I should have this bad boy out. If everything looks good with the pistons, then I'm gonna bring it to a machine shop, get it redone, drop it in, and maybe a new turbo, and call it a day.
To let you in, be yourself, or play a role to all the boys, to keep it low. If it's a no, would you turn away, or play me off, or would you stay? Because you don't succeed, cause you start off and try again. You can start off and try again, cause if I don't succeed, you can start off and try again, cause I start off and try again.
Alright guys, so I'm trying to remove some hose clamps. I'm having trouble with that, and it is what it is. So basically I'm gonna go into Advanced Auto, grab some, they got like tools that you would use to get them off. I'm not a real fan of hose clamps, honestly. I use like the circle ones that like that like takes like a Phillips or a flathead, and you just like drill it in and it tightens like that. I don't like the ones that with the clamps, but that's my preference. But I have to go grab some tools for that, and after that hopefully we won't be too long pulling the head. But for a free A4, it's kind of like, hey, whatever little headaches I run into, why not? I could make money just how the car sits, but the goal is to have this car up and running. Basically I wanted like an all-wheel drive automatic, and another like European German car to work on, learn more about, and so that's what I was able to get for free at that. I almost just dropped the camera, but was able to get that all for free, so I was like, why not? Whatever little issues come in play. So once I plan on getting the head off, inspect the pistons, see if the pistons are any damage into the pistons, and that is what will make or break the build. So I'm hoping for no damage to the pistons. That's like be the best case scenario. No damage to the pistons, and pull the head, bring it to the machine shop, or get a brand new head. I plan on, since I'm already gonna pull the head, whatever, water pump, timing, full fluid change, maybe a new KO3 turbo, and maybe that's about it. And you know, then I have a nice little A4, and I could easily flip it if I really wanted to, because I'm trying to get a Honda, you guys. I want to do a Honda build, and hopefully, you know, they're just so much more simpler. They're easier, so like, why not? If I can make a like nice little, like, you know, 800 to the wheel turbo Civic, and you know, call it a day. But nah, in all seriousness, guys, I'll hit you back up when we get to the Advanced Auto. So I'll see you guys soon.